Alright guys, what it do? It's your boy X coming at you guys with another video. And in today's video, we're going to talk about what actually happened with Dogecoin on Saturday Night Live. What caused it to plummet? What's going on? Is it still worth holding? What should you do? I got you. I got you. I got you. Alright guys, so before I give you the lowdown on what happened with Dogecoin and SNL, would you mind subscribing to the YouTube channel and liking this video? Just by you liking this video, it really helps the channel to grow, and that's really what I'm trying to do, grow the channel as big as possible. So don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Appreciate you. Now, what happened with Dogecoin? Dogecoin was... it's the stock. It's the stock that everybody want to know about, pretty much. But everybody was waiting for Saturday Night Live because the god of Dogecoin himself, Elon Musk, was hosting Saturday Night Live, and it was rumored that he was gonna do something big, as far as with Dogecoin. He was gonna drop like a big bomb for Dogecoin, and everybody thought they were going to finally be the catalyst that push us right on over to that dollar. But unfortunately, it didn't play out like that. It really didn't. People did not receive the actual information that they were looking for. They pretty much, people wanted a straightforward answer. Hey, they want Elon Musk to literally just walk out there. Hey, yo, Tesla, Dogecoin, I'm going to $1. I'm investing X amount. Buy now. It's pretty much what they wanted, but unfortunately, it didn't play out like that, and the stock plummeted. It dropped. It was a straight down the pooper. It was bad. It was mad bad. So a lot of people are left wondering. All right, so is this the end of Dogecoin? Is the meme over with? I hopped in this for no reason. I lost all this money. I thought we were going to the moon. Supposed to reach $1. I'm out. But yeah, there's still hope. There's still hope. Like Elon Musk said, to the moon. Now, it seemed very trivial when he said it on SNL, but little did we know, voila, the next day, the bombshell was dropped. Now, by to the moon, what Elon Musk was referring to for this entire time was SpaceX. Yes, if you're Elon Musk fanboy, you know that that is another one of his companies, and SpaceX is pretty much space X. Well, pretty much they dropped the bombshell that next year SpaceX will accept Dogecoin as a payment. And, SpaceX has a lot to do with rockets. It has to do with internet. It's pretty much helping us prepare forward into the future. So it's kind of hype that Dogecoin will be accepted from SpaceX. I know everybody like, well, why he just didn't do it for Tesla? It's a little harder for Tesla. It's a lot harder for Tesla. But SpaceX is still monumental. Like, how far they can go for something like Dogecoin can be the catalyst. They really push us to get to that dollar. But pretty much that was the big news. It slid by a couple people. Like I said, the information was released Sunday, not actually doing the SNL. So when it plummeted, nobody knew. But that's the actual update, guys. He did do something. Because, like I said, it has to do with rockets and all that good stuff. And one of the rockets' name is Dogecoin. So he was saying Dogecoin going to the moon. He was referring to the rocket going, space status, SpaceX, Dogecoin, rocket name Dogecoin. They're accepting Dogecoin. Elon Musk doing Elon Musk type things. So, is it a buy? Is it a hold? Is it a sell? That's what you want to know, right? If that's what you want to know, I got you. Did I sell? No. Did I buy more? Yes. Why did I buy more? I truly believe it's going to reach $1. Although SNL wasn't the catalyst that we were looking for, SpaceX is still yet again another company trying to use Dogecoin as promotion to help them gain traction. So as I said in my last video about Dogecoin, that's pretty much what I personally think it's going to take to get Dogecoin to $1. These companies are really going to try to, like I said, use it as a marketing tool, start actually accepting it on their online stores and things like that, which would actually, get people to actually want to buy and spend said currency, which in total will actually raise the value of Dogecoin. So, yes, I still think it's a buy. Yes, I am holding. Yes, I bought more. No, I'm not selling as of yet. Now, notice I say as of yet because eventually I will sell. Just not now. Just not now, people. I still believe. But after the sharp drop off on those Sunday night, it was pretty bad, but we did recover above the 50-cent range on Sunday. And like I said, just give it time for the news to spread around about SpaceX and another company come in and say something else. I'm pretty positive we're going to shoot back up to that 60, potentially 7% range. And later on, like a month or two, maybe 3 months from now, a big catalyst is going to really help us prepare into those 80s to 90s. And from there, it's just the hypeness is just going to take over and push us the rest of the way. So if you sold your Dogecoin, I truly believe you made a mistake. If you held on with these diamond hands, I'm proud of you.
Yes, 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 and then they get all dramatic for that final yes, say yes.
I don't think that's how they do it.
I'd have to hear it again.
Yes, 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 yes.
Yeah.
Proud of you. And if you still want to get in on the hypeness, do it now. Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy here telling my opinion of what I think is going to happen and what I'm doing personally about with my Dogecoin. But do as you please, people. Do as you please. But that's all I got to say on the matter. It's your boy Exia, and I'm out.
You say you wanna try, but you never do.